See the question number 14 from the assignment or the worksheet. What is a prism? Explain the refraction of light through a triangular glass prism. So what is a prism? First we try to understand. A prism is a triangular transparent object which is made up of glass. It has two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surfaces. These surfaces are inclined to each other. The angle between its two lateral faces is called the angle of the prism. Now let us see the page 192 of the textbook. Here we will study the refraction of light through a triangular glass prism. So try to understand the answer. In the diagram we can see that PQ is the incident ray which is falling on the side AB of the prism. This gets refracted when it enters the prism. Here the medium changes from air to glass, that is rarer to denser medium. So the ray of light bends towards the normal. So we are saying that PQ is incident ray, EF is the refracted ray. This refracted ray moves out from glass to air. So now the medium changes from denser to rarer medium. So the ray of light bends away from the normal. So we are saying that Fs is the emergent ray. Now angle I is the angle of incidence, angle R is the angle of refraction, angle E is the angle of emergence, while angle D is the angle of deviation. Here if you extend the incident ray PQ, right, and you extend the emergent ray backwards, then it will be touching each other at the point G as shown in the diagram. Then that angle D is known as the angle of deviation. E is the angle of emergence, I is the angle of incidence. So we can see that due to the peculiar shape of the prism, right, the emergent ray bend at an angle to the direction of the incident ray. This angle is called the angle of deviation. In this case, angle D is the angle of deviation. We can have a relation I plus E is equal to A plus D. I is the angle of incidence, E is the angle of emergent, A is the angle of the prism. Mostly for we are taking triangular equilateral prism, the angle is 60 degree. And what is D? D is the angle of deviation. Okay.